Launcher for GTA 5 can be useful in certain scenarios, such as troubleshooting issues or fixing errors. Here's how you can do it safely. Important notes. Disabling BattlEye may prevent you from accessing online multiplayer modes, as it's required for anti-cheat purposes. Use these steps only for legitimate troubleshooting or offline play. Steps to disable BattlEye Launcher for GTA 5. 1. Modify launch options. You can disable BattlEye through the game's launch parameters. 1. Open the Epic Games Launcher, Steam, or Rockstar Launcher, depending on where you purchased the game. 2. Go to Library and locate GTA 5. 3. Right-click on GTA 5 and select Properties in Steam or Settings. 4. Find the Launch Options or Command Line Arguments section. 5. Add the following line, "disable BattlEye." 6. Close the settings and launch the game. 2. Rename BattlEye files. You can temporarily disable BattlEye by renaming its files. 1. Go to the installation folder for GTA 5. Default locations: Steam/Program Files, 86, Steam Apps, Common, Grand Theft Auto Vi. Epic Games, C Program Files, Epic Games GTA V. 2. Open the BattlEye folder inside the game directory. 3. Locate these files: beservice.exe, belauncher.exe. 4. Rename these files to something like beserviceold.exe, belauncherold.exe. Launch the game. 3. Temporarily uninstall BattlEye. If disabling is not enough, you can uninstall BattlEye temporarily. 1. Go to the BattlEye folder inside the GTA 5 installation directory. 2. Run the file uninstall battleye.bat or a similar script. 3. Confirm the uninstallation process. 4. Launch the game in offline mode. Fix common BattlEye launcher errors. 1. Reinstall BattlEye. If you're experiencing errors, 1. Go to the BattlEye folder in your GTA 5 installation directory. 2. Run the install battleye.bat file to reinstall. 2. Verify game files. Corrupted files can cause issues. 1. Open your game launcher, Epic Rockstar. 2. Go to Library. Right-click on GTA 5. Select Properties. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. 3. Run as administrator. 1. Locate the belauncher.exe file in the BattlEye folder. 2. Right-click on the file, select Run as administrator. 4. Check firewall antivirus settings. 1. Ensure BattlEye is not being blocked by your firewall or antivirus software. 2. Add an exception for belauncher.exe and bservice.exe. #5. Update BattlEye. 1. Visit the official BattlEye website, https://www.battle.com/. 2. Download the latest version of the BattlEye software. 3. Replace the files in the BattlEye folder of your GTA 5 installation. If none of the above works, share the exact error message you're encountering, and I can provide more targeted solutions.